राष्ट्रीय रक्षा विश्वविद्यालय राष्ट्र का एक महत्वपूर्ण संस्था जो राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा और पुलिस विश्वविद्यालयों में अग्रणी है, भारत के प्रमुख विश्वविद्यालयों में से एक है। नमस्कार दर्शकों, अरुणाचल एक्सप्रेस में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम आए हैं पासीघाट ईस्ट सियांग में स्थित राष्ट्रीय रक्षा विश्वविद्यालय में, जहां आज पासीघाट कैंपस की दूसरी स्थापना दिवस मनाई जा रही है। पासीघाट कैंपस की स्थापना हुई थी 2022 में 22 को। वर्तमान में इस विश्वविद्यालय के 5 कैंपस है। पहला गांधीनगर गुजरात में, दूसरा पासीघाट अरुणाचल प्रदेश पे, तीसरा लखनऊ उत्तर प्रदेश पे, चौथा शिवमोगा कर्नाटका पे और 5वां पुडुचेरी पर। इस विश्वविद्यालय की पहली स्थापना हुई थी 2009 में गांधीनगर गुजरात में, गुजरात सरकार द्वारा रक्षा शक्ति विश्वविद्यालय के नाम से, जिसे बाद में बदलकर राष्ट्रीय रक्षा विश्वविद्यालय के नाम से जाना गया। आज इस कार्यक्रम में अरुणाचल प्रदेश विश्वविद्यालय के वाइस चांसलर प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर तमोरेबा मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में आए हैं। पासीघाट मिलिट्री स्टेशन के ब्रिगेडियर हिमांशु भटनागर विशिष्ट अतिथि के रूप में आए हैं और पासीघाट ईस्ट सियांग के डिप्टी कमिश्नर ताई तागो विशेष अतिथि के रूप में आए हैं। पूरे प्रतिवेदन के लिए बने रहे अरुणाचल एक्सप्रेस के साथ। धन्यवाद।
सुनो तो जरा हमको है ये कहना, वक्त है क्या तुमको पता है ना, सो गई रात जाके दिन है अब जाग उठा, आंखें वसंत का है सारा ये समा,
The winner for solo song is Tubi Chanu from Tamil. And I would like to request her to please follow will have group second. The band is Danielle Sidiso from Subansiri. Lohit House. So to give away the prize and so the winner, so moving on to the group song. And the winner for group song is Lohit House. And he was also performing during that group song. So for overall and also for Subansiri House. Thank you so much.
Sir, as it is the very first university, being one of its kind here in Northeast, and it is pioneering national security, and what are the challenges that you faced here establishing in Pasighat?
So, district administration was very kind. The government of Arunachal Pradesh was very kind because in the initial days, while the inception days, we found little challenges, but along with the hands of the district administration, it was resolved and everything was taken care by the DC sir, Honorable CM sir, and SP at that moment of time, Sumit sir. So it was reasonably well.
So recently, one student of yours, Ms. Kava Kiano, has achieved the remarkable feat of climbing the tallest, highest mountain peak in the world, Mount Everest. What are your remarks on that, sir?
So as an institution, we are very, very honored and we are very glad to have such student, and her journey itself is a very remarkable journey. Being a female and being a woman, if she is climbing and she is becoming the fifth in entire Arunachal Pradesh, it's always a pleasure to have such a student in our university. We do promote tourism, we do promote sports, we do promote extracurricular activities, and of course, big thanks to Kaba Kiano for achieving such a laurel for the university.
So a message to today's young generation as like we can all see that like how they are going to the wrong direction now, under the wrong influence. So that they can choose the right path. What is your message to them?
So for the students, upcoming generations, they will be facing many challenges because the dynamic of environment, dynamic of society is continuously changing. But they should be sticking to their own goal. The further they can achieve those goals in the earlier stage, they can realize that which are the areas that I need to explore and which are the areas that I can make my career into, and be more focused, more enthusiastic, more passionate, that can contribute to their future career as well.
So right now, Rashtriya Raksha University is providing 5 courses. So what are your future plans regarding any additional courses you're going to provide? Any additional courses you're going to provide for the upcoming years?
So upcoming years, we will be providing different courses towards the defense management, cyber security, border management, other forensic science, and behavioral psychology as well. But we do have started certificate programs, training programs on different areas, different verticals of national security already.
So what are your future strategies in like extending the campus of the Rashtriya Raksha University?
So once the permanent campus has been allotted or will be allotted to our own particular Rashtriya Raksha University, there is a huge scope of expansion towards different areas, as I have already said, towards police administration, public administration, and different other areas. So we will be looking forward for the cooperation of district administration as well.
So Brigadier Himanshu from Sigar military station has promised that he will be providing you assistance regarding the trainings and all. What are your opinions on that?
So I think he has already provided his assistance by coming here, and our students have already been there as a Sigar military station, because learning national security infrastructure is also an important part of our own curriculum. But thanks to all these officers, these laurels, these luminaries, that this university is going great in their hand and under their guidance.
कैसा लगा आपको?
It was outstanding. बहुत अच्छा लगा.
How important is RRU for the future of?
RRU तो आपने नाम में ही है, राष्ट्रीय रक्षा यूनिवर्सिटी. This is a very, very important university. The security, internal security of the country is as important as external security of the country. So it's really developing, and I am really grateful this university is coming up here in Arunachal Pradesh, Pasighar.
So in your speech, as you have mentioned, you have made some promises to the RRU.
Yeah, definitely we are doing it, and hopefully we should be successful. So I'm looking into, and we had a discussion with the director, so that is going on. So I am sure we'll be able to achieve it with cooperation of all.
सर आज की युवा पीढ़ी के लिए कुछ मैसेज ताकि वो सही रास्ता चुने.
युवा पीढ़ी के लिए देखिए, द नंबर वन इज द अगर कोई मंत्र है तो द हार्ड वर्क, डिटरमिनेशन, that is important. Otherwise, without and many people, I feel personally that all are saying there is no time, and people who are lazy have no time. People who are hard working, they find a lot of times. So that is my message to the younger generation.
आज का मैम आपने जो प्रोग्राम बताया सेकंड फाउंडेशन डे का, आपको प्लान्स हो गया सक्सेसफुल?
यस, काफ़ी हद तक का सक्सेसफुल था. तो बहुत ज़्यादा हाथ गया है इसके पीछे सक्सेसफुल करने के लिए. So we have been planning since a week. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मिला हमें because हमारा एडमिशन भी चल रहा है and then we have training programs that is coming up and also this foundation day. So बहुत सारी चीज़ एक साथ में होके तो but successfully हाँ we had managed, हम लोग ने मैनेज कर लिया है सक्सेसफुली. तो वही.
तो मैम जो वाइस चांसलर है RRU के पटेल सर, उन्होंने भी आज एक्नॉलेज किया रोशबीना देवी का और काबा कियानो का अचीवमेंट्स को. उसको लेकर आपको क्या कहना है?
हाँ, वी आर वेरी प्राउड ऑफ देम क्योंकि हमारे साथ हमारे कैंपस क्योंकि जैसे रोशबीना देवी शी हैज़ बीन द फर्स्ट जो पास आउट फ्रॉम आवर कैंपस, जो फर्स्ट बैच है, तो फर्स्ट बैच फ्रॉम पास आउट वाला है एंड देन कंसेक्यूटिवली सेकेंड टाइम भी हम ऐसा बड़ा अचीवमेंट हमारे कैंपस से होना बाय काबा कियानो. सो वी आर वेरी प्राउड एंड वेरी थ्रिल्ड और स्पेशली काबा कियानो का हमें कल ही न्यूज़ मिला. सो व्हाट बेटर न्यूज़ देन दिस.
Ma'am, what are your future plans for promoting these kinds of exchange sports?
सर हमारे यहाँ पे वी कीप हैविंग डिफरेंट प्रोग्राम्स, स्पेशली लाइक वी कीप हैविंग ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स. देयर आर मोर ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स कमिंग अप लाइक फॉर ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम फॉर कोचेस डेवलपमेंट, कोच डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम एंड ट्रैफिक डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम होता है एंड देन साइबर सिक्योरिटी का प्रोग्राम इज कमिंग अप एंड इवन ह्यूमन राइट का ट्रेनिंग भी आ रहा है. सो पीपल कैन जॉइन दैट एंड सी बिकॉज for that we are calling experts from all around the world, not only from India or local but from all around the world. Experts को हम लोग बुलाते हैं. So I think like people should take this opportunity and also for this foundation day जैसे मैंने बोला कि बहुत सारे हाथ गए हैं. I would like to thank once again to all my colleagues and my staff, supporting staff, and of course our director who has been there supporting us in each and every step. Foundation Day के लिए like it has been successful and I'm very happy for that. And also जैसे मैंने बोला कि too many things was happening, like जैसे हमारा admissions भी चल रहा है. So there हमारे admissions भी opened हैं. We are running 5 courses this year. So the courses for masters and BA and diploma courses for strength and conditioning, postgraduate diploma for strength and conditioning, and diploma for police administration, and also postgraduate diploma for cyber security. So all these courses are open in our campus. So although हमारा commencement में बस 2 साल ही हुआ है, but we are trying to come up and give the youth as much as possible chances, उनका opportunities जितना देना चाहते हैं. राष्ट्रीय रक्षा यूनिवर्सिटी is trying that.